Hey everyone, it's Veronica Wasek, and I wanted to thank you for visiting my channel. Here at 5 Minute Bookkeeping, I do quite a few things, and I'm very excited to bring this content to you. 5 Minute Bookkeeping is my YouTube channel as well as my blog, and I started it several years ago with the idea of having business owners engage with their books, engaging with their financials for just 5 minutes a day. But 5 Minute Bookkeeping has grown over the years, and now it's all about giving you short, very easy to understand content. And you'll see that throughout our videos. Most of our videos are usually about 5 minutes long. Some of them are a little longer, but I try to keep it to 5 minutes. So who am I? Well, I am an entrepreneur. I'm a creative. I am the founder and CEO of VM Wasek, where we specialize in e-commerce sellers who are creative, who make things and who sell things online or sell them through brick and mortar stores. I'm also the founder and creator of the 5 Minute Bookkeeping blog and YouTube channel. And I'm also the founder of the 5MB Academy, where I do a lot of education currently for a lot of bookkeepers and accountants, but in the future we'll also have content for small business owners. What kind of content can you expect from me? Well, first of all, you need to understand I have a dual audience. So while I started 5 Minute Bookkeeping and speaking directly to business owners, along the way, a lot of accountants and bookkeepers came along and started also watching this channel. So what you'll see in my content is that I'll do content that may be for both audiences. Some is specifically for business owners, and other content is specific to bookkeepers and accountants. The best way to find out whether the content applies to you is to look at the playlists. All of the videos are organized in our playlists, and you should be able to figure out what applies to you. If you see content that you like or something that you'd like me to do in future videos, make sure that you leave me a comment. I do respond to all comments, and so I'll be sure to take a look at your suggestions. Once again, thank you so much for visiting my channel, and check out the playlist, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.